Hey, could you imagine Kirloskar Group was once a cycle repairing shop? Trust me, the founder of Kirloskar Group, Mr. Laxman Rao, initially had run a cycle repair shop. So eventually, from there Kirloskar saga has started. For a period of over 130 years, Kirloskar Group have focused on the progress of economic self-sufficiency and industrial growth in India, founded by Laxman Rao Kirloskar. Born on the 20th of June 1869, Laxman Rao love for machines and drawing brought him from Harvard to J.J. School of Art, Mumbai. But due to partial color blindness compelled him to quit painting and shifted his focus entirely to machines. At that time, all he had was unwavering support of his eldest brother Ramana, who stood by him as a rock throughout his extraordinary journey. His skills and engineering acumen landed him a job at the prestigious Victoria Jubilee Technology Institute, VJDI, where he taught mechanical drawing. And like every success story, this too began in an ordinary day when Laxman Rao saw a man riding a bicycle. Kirloskar brother was thus born in 1888. He started from setting up windmills and selling bicycles in background. Currently the group have many companies including Kirloskar Oil Engines, Kirloskar Brothers, Kirloskar Pneumatic, Kirloskar Ferrous Industries, Kirloskar Electric Company and Kirloskar Technologies. Today in this video we will know about Kirloskar Oil Engines Limited. So, before begin, let me introduce, we are PA Wealth, a SEBI registered investment company. We offer stocks, mutual fund, PMS, AIF, insurance and startup investments. Now, let's discuss about the business segment of the company. Currently company's segment are categorized into 4 segments, which are of engines, electric pumps, financial services and last one is of others. However, these segments caters to every category of businesses such as B2B and B2C. Now we understand its segments more deeper, to have a fair idea that what actually Kirloskar sells under its different segment. So first is of engines. Kirloskar Oil is the market leader in India's low and medium HP genset segments. Further, its products are sold under Koil, Chota Chili, and Koil, Agri brands. Moreover, the company specializes in manufacturing air-cooled and liquid-cooled diesel engines and generating sets ranging from 2 kVA to 5200 kVA for industrial, residential, and commercial establishments, and special applications like telecom. And also manufactures a wide range of industrial engines ranging from 20 horsepower to 750 horsepower. As a part of diversification strategy, the company plans to launch many new products, that is wires, cables and column pipes, motors, organic waste management and railway transformers. Further, it will be soon launching branded electric motors. The company plans to increase the share of export in overall revenue as the situation is improving in the export markets. As the diesel pump set segment is showing degrowth, the management has started focusing on scaling up electric pump segment. Government's push for infrastructure development could result in high demand for construction equipment. The company having strong partnerships with all major equipment manufacturers remains in the sweet spot. Further, recent power crisis situation in India will boost up the demand for power gensets. Second segment is of electric pumps and others. Electric pumps and other farm equipments comes under Water Management Solutions, WMS, and Farm Mechanization Solutions, FMS. WMS produces diesel and electric pumps, while FMS manufactures power tillers, power weeders, and rotary tillers. And the last is one of financial services. Basically, Kirloskar Oil owns a fully fledged non-banking financial company, NBFC, called Arka Fincap Limited, in which it plans to invest 1000 crore Indian rupees. The focus of this segment is to provide structured term financing solutions to corporates and real estate companies, as well as offer loans to micro, small, and medium enterprise (MSME) borrowers. Let's have glimpse on shareholding pattern of the company. As on March 2023, in-company promoters are holding 41.3% of shareholding. Foreign portfolio investors, that are FPIs, are holding 6.0% of stakes. Further, mutual funds shareholding is consisting about to 19.9%, other institutions are holding 8.1% and public are holding nearly 24.8%. Moving to next parameter, which is of executive members. Knowing executive members of the company gives clarity of who is managing the operations, who is on the board for taking tough decision and so on. So, First, Mr. Atul C. Kirloskar. Mr. Atul C. Kirloskar is the chairman of the company, aged 60 years, began his career with the erstwhile Kirloskar Commons Limited in the year 1978, where he started out as a trainee. In 1984, he moved to Kirloskar Oil Engines Limited and worked in various leadership positions and is currently the executive chairman of the company. Second, Mr. Rahul C. Kirloskar. Mr. Rahul Kirloskar is the non-executive, non-independent director of the company, has been associated with the Kirloskar Group for more than 34 years. In 1993, he was appointed as the MD of Kirloskar Pneumatic, and in 1998 he took over as chairman. From 2001 to 2012, he became the Director of Exports for Kirloskar Oil Engines, wherein the major areas were expanding export operations for Kirloskar Oil Engines and the entire Kirloskar Group. Third one is Ms. Gauri Kirloskar. Currently, she is heading as Managing Director of the company. After graduation, she worked as an investment banking analyst at Merrill Lynch in their Mergers and Acquisitions Group, then moved on to Pearson's Corporate Finance and Strategy Group. Ms. Gauri Kirloskar received a BSc in Business Administration with a concentration in Finance from Carnegie Mellon University, USA. Now coming to fourth, Mr. Rahul Sahai. Mr. Rahul Sahai currently appointed as the CEO of B2B business of the company in September 22. Before this, he worked with for 7 years in Cummins India and was a Director Marketing and Engineering Distribution Business Unit in New and Recon Parts. Let's discuss the cost structure of the company. Raw material expenses account for 65%, while power and fuel costs stood at 1%. On the other hand, 7% of expenses were incurred as employee cost, while other expenses and other manufacturing expenses stood at 1 and 8% respectively. Now you will know the financial parameter of the company. Company has grown its revenue at 7.25% in past 7 years, while PAT grew at a CAGR of 0.51%. Moreover, company has a current debt to equity ratio of 0.9, which can be considered as good. Currently, company operates at 60% utilization and also aims to increase its revenue by 2 times in 3 years. However, on margins front, in previous years company reported reduction in margin due to wide volatility in raw material prices. Now, on management key points. Company also sees good traction in the telecom segment. The company has also launched gas gensets in Q2, generating interest in markets. Moreover, company has launched rental variants of gensets, which sees good traction in the markets. Meanwhile, company has signed a MOU with rights for joint engagement in the promotion of our products. Further, CPC BIV plus emission norms to be commissioned in the starting of July 2023, in which Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change has made it mandatory for power genset assembled, manufactured and imported to India. Moving on, acquisitions. Company has taken acquisition of controlling stake in LGMPL, which has also provided the company to get its footprints in the electric pump market. Now, let's deep dive into the SWOT analysis of the Kirloskar Oil Engine. Some of the strengths of the company includes quality standards, wide range of products, good research and developments and strong support from collaborators. Weaknesses: susceptibility to cyclicality in end-user industries and exposure to volatility in raw material prices and intense competition. Opportunities includes global expansion, increasing demand, aging plants and new emission norms by the government. Threats: some threats include high competitors, price competition and raw material price fluctuation. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Hit like button, comment your queries and share it with other investors for their benefit. Subscribe our channel for latest stock research updates. Don't forget to press the bell icon.